Good afternoon, this is Dean from Total Parts Plus in Coopers Plains. Our contact number is 073848 1382. Today we've got a Toyota Hilux, stock number is 3993. This shape is a second month 05, runs up to 8th month 2015. It's a KUN 26R. This has a 1KD 3 litre 4 cylinder turbo diesel engine backed up by a 5-speed manual 4-drive transmission. Here is the 1KD 3 litre turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the accident to the top left hand side of the roof. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch wheels with good Toyo open country tyres. They all have good tread on them. The door was damaged in the accident. Sidestep, passenger rear door. As you can see, here's the left-hand rear Toyo tyre with wheel. Aftermarket toolbox. Doesn't come with the keys though, unfortunately. This is a genuine Toyota bull bar. Comes with all your bolts, loom wires, just without the tongue. Here, this is the right-hand toolbox. Once again, doesn't come with the keys though. Right-hand rear tyre and wheel. Right-hand side step, looks to be in good condition. Right-hand rear door. A few minor dents, but it is a good door still. And here's the right-hand front wheel and tyre. Here's the interior. It's grey cloth, and there's the master switch. This car has grey cloth interior. This is a driver's seat with a slight tear in it. Console lid, center console with the manual 5-speed gear knob. Passenger seat. Passenger sun visor, grey cloth. The driver's side sun visor with grey cloth as well. Here we have the instrument cluster with the chrome bezels. We have here the standard black vinyl steering wheel with no steering. Thank you for watching this video.